Madhav, I think Ishkaran has summed up the issue very succinctly. And I just wanted to draw, nonetheless, the attention of your viewers. While you have made these points in your introductory statements, Madhav, I think what is most damning, really damning, are points number 9, points number 10, and point number 12. In point number 9, it is clearly mentioned by Darshan Hiranandani that she wanted to malign Prime Minister Modi, and the best way of doing that was by attacking Gautam Adani, since both Gautam Adani and Prime Minister Modi are contemporaries and belong to the state of Gujarat. But more importantly is point number 10, and your audience needs to know, Darshan Hiranandani's sworn affidavit is very relevant legally, technically, and even otherwise, where he clearly says, she therefore requested me to keep supporting her in her attacks on the Adani group and provided me her parliament login and password so that I could post the questions directly on her behalf when required. But the most damning part, which your audience needs to know, is point number 12. In point number 12, Darshan Hiranandani says, the demands that were made and favors that were asked included gifting her expensive luxury items, providing support on renovation of her officially allotted bungalow in Delhi, travel expenses, holidays, etc. Apart from providing secretarial and logistical help for her travels within India and to different parts of the world, I could ill afford to displease her. Many a times, he says, many a times I felt that she was taking undue advantage of me and pressurizing me to do things I didn't want to. But I had no choice because of the aforementioned reasons. And since this matter involves me directly and has snowballed into a political controversy with the Parliamentary Privilege Committee and the judiciary also now seized of the matter, I consider it incumbent upon me to state the facts in public interest through this sworn affidavit signed off by Darshan Hiranandani, dated the 19th of October 2023. There is a clear quid pro quo between Mahua Moitra and Darshan Hiranandani. She was taking gifts. She was asking him to, spend on her behalf, even for the renovation of her official bungalow.
Okay.
She wanted expensive cars. She wanted perfumes. She wanted luxury bags. It cannot be more shameful than this.
Okay, Anirban wants to respond to you. Anirban.